Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of DIY or Die. Today I'm here with my dad and we are going to teach you a very important part of doing it yourself, which is repair. So Dad, tell me what we're going to be doing today.
Well, we got this beautiful chair and table from an estate sale, but when I sat down in it, I noticed it's squeaking, so we need to repair it.
Let's get started.
First, you're going to need 2 screwdrivers, a flathead, and a Phillips head. Then, a rubber mallet, a piece of sandpaper, some wood glue, a wet towel, and a wood clamp. First of all, you've got to remove the beautiful seat. Flip it over, take out the screws. And you should be able now to remove the seat. Next, we're going to take off the 4 braces. Next, you take your rubber mallet and you separate the joints. Don't lose them though, we have to label them. Ready?
Yep.
When you're removing the slats, it's important to label them. This is the left. And this one's the right.
Now we have our chair disassembled. But when we were disassembling the chair, we discovered a problem. We found out that one of the joints of the stretcher was broken. So we decided that we're going to do some improvisation. So the part that we're going to have to repair broke off into the chair. So we're going to drill a hole here and drill a hole here and then glue a dowel in between the 2 joints. I've clamped the stretcher into place. And now I'm going to mark the very center of the stretcher. And I'm going to drill a hole right in the center.
So next we're going to flatten this joint here with a saw. Next we sand it. You're getting there.
So it looks like this totally is going to fit. So we did it. Good job. So next, my dad and I are going to sand down all of the joints so that when we glue it back together, all of the connections will have a very good surface so that the bond will hold tight. So let's glue it back together.
Then we take the excess glue and remove it with our wet rag.
And we're going to use a wood clamp to hold the chair together. The last thing we're going to do is put the seat back on, and we can actually do that while the chair is clamped. We're going to leave it clamped together for the next 24 hours just to make sure that the wood glue dries and creates a really solid bond. And there you have it. We've repaired our chair. It's all glued back together. So for the final test, let's take off the clamp.
I'm going to take off this clamp after 24 hours. And wow, no squeak.
So what I really like about this project is that we ran into some problems, some unexpected issues, and we were able to overcome them with just a little bit of creativity and perseverance. So next time, when you run up against an issue where, hey, you need to repair something, go for it. Instead of getting rid of it, go for the repair. See you next time. Thanks for watching.